It's okay, baby.
Girls about their ID. I mean,
okay.
they don't even have an ID
Got
because
you,
they're
okay?
13. Like, hello, how is it
I know
supposed
you
to
got
ID
stuck.
when they're 13 years old? Like, when that's not my fault. Yeah, from now on, I'll ask
Oh,
for the
sounds
parents'
good.
ID because I don't want to ruin my career. Just look at my face. Do I look like I can be an Instagram model?
Stuck with this.
No. Do I look like I can get a job? No. I'll
Okay.
end up working at McDonald's. I have zero fucking skills. My
Baby,
career is
please,
just,
okay.
going downhill. So I have to
It's
apologize.
okay,
And
okay.
then can we hit the
It's
goal of
okay, I got you, okay?
And don't forget to
It's
share it with your
okay, I
friends.
got you,
And
don't be
send
scared,
us a follow
okay?
video about me sending disgusting messages to minors to your family. So
I
yeah,
think
this
that's the
has been
first
Dylan.
time
Peace
that
out,
human
everybody.
touch you. See, it's free. Show Jonathan Little. Yeah, he's free.
Wow, I really didn't think
The
anyone
leg,
could top Aline
he
Bauer
got
with the
stuck.
apology video, but Dylan over here, he did
So
it.
it's all clean, okay? You want some water too? Huh? You want some Madonna?
Gangsters.
That's promise. And it's gonna take us